friends, today we are going to make a flapping bird, and for that bird we want an origami paper, and we have to cut that paper into a square. Now with this square sheet we have to fold this square sheet in this manner, and after folding this sheet we get one crease. Now we have to fold this sheet in this manner. And after folding this sheet, we will get another crease like this. And in the same manner, we have to fold this sheet again like this. Now, we get one more crease here. Now we'll fold this sheet along with the diagonal again. We'll get two lines, this and this. Now we'll take this paper and fold it like this. This part will go inside. The same thing we will do with this part also. Press it, and now we'll get another square. Now we have to take this part and fold it like this, and after folding this part we'll get one crease. The same thing we have to do with the other part. Fold it and we'll get one crease. Now we'll come back to that part and fold this side of the sheet like this. The same thing with this side also. The same thing we will do with the other back side. Now it will give like a cone shape. Now we will take this part and fold it like this. Again. Now we'll open all this. Now we'll get one triangle, and with this triangle we'll make one pattern. Open it and then press it like this. The same thing we'll do with the back side. See, it looks like a rhombus with two legs. Now open this and fold it like this. Then again close this part. Again open this part. Put it inside this. Now it will look like a triangle. We can see this. We have to push it. We have to pull it in this manner, in which these three lines are equal. The same thing we have to do with the left part also. See, these three, 1, 2 and 3. Now, with this part, we'll make the beak. Fold it like this. And this is the beak of the bird. Now, we'll take this part and fold it in this manner. With left part, cut is the neck and the right part makes one triangle. Now, turn this and this wing will overlap. This wing will overlap this. And hey, our bird is ready. We will do like this. Push this, pull this part. And this is a flapping bird.